Let me grab the powder that I used.
Oh, yes.
Hello everyone. So we're gonna go out, maybe take a couple pictures today. I'm like, Jamie, please do my makeup because I don't know what I'm doing. And as you can see, she's really pretty. So we're gonna go and get started with that. I just let her rummage through my makeup collection and take whatever she wanted to take. I'm excited to see what she'll do with my face. Oh, so this is my face now. Why did she laugh?
When you do your makeup, you want to take in what the weather is like outside and also your skin type. She gets very oily in certain places.
She knows.
So we're gonna have to use some powder in places.
Yay.
And we're gonna do a light makeup look.
Okay, so this isn't gonna be like an actual tutorial.
Nope.
She's just gonna play with my face.
Yeah. We're gonna start with brows first. Lovely has sad eyebrows. We're gonna use this. Who's this by?
Oh, so this is a L'Oreal Wonder Brow. It's their Unbelievabrow. It's a dupe of the Wonder Brow. Also note that this is Jamie's first time, I guess, using these products, so
yeah,
might not be what she's super comfortable with. Tell them about yourself and how we know each other.
Okay, oh my god, guys, don't look at my stomach pads. So, I'm her little cousin, quote unquote little. We're 4 years apart, even though it doesn't really feel like 4 years apart.
Yeah, we're almost like sisters,
basically.
I guess. So it's us and our other cousin Isa, who's not here today because I have a dog that she's not comfortable with, but my dog loves Jamie, so that's why she'd be here. We all grew up together, we're all super close, and I guess with Jamie specifically, I was kind of the role model for her, would you say?
Yeah.
So I pretty much took her under my wing and she matured really fast because of it, because I would tell her about all my problems growing up, especially in high school, and she was always super interested.
It was basically a real life drama TV show for me to just...
And she got to interfere if she wanted. Oh, see, that's my dog that Issa's not happy with.
You ever thought about tweezing your eyebrows to a certain shape?
Yeah. I'll do it, right? I'm like, okay, today we're taking off a lot. And I'm like, okay, now we took off too much.
Our little cousin Isa, yeah, her eyebrows used to be really sparse. And that wasn't really, it was more like a cloud shape is what I would describe it. But then, eyebrow glow up.
She went off.
She did. So I asked her how she did it.
Yo,
right?
same. I feel like we both feel like Isa. Drop it, drop the routine.
First, she grew out her eyebrows because her eyebrows are the most sparse out of the three of us. But she told me she had just not putting anything on them for a year or more. And then it finally grew all out, and then she tweezed it and shaped it the way she wanted it to be.
Yeah, my eyebrows were the only makeup that I would do for high school because I never felt comfortable wearing foundation because I know it's not supposed to look like your skin, but it really bothers me that it doesn't look like your skin.
Yeah.
And it's I'm comfortable with having acne on my face. Grow up, it's 2020.
Oh wait, okay. So now I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer, and I'm just going to conceal her eyebrows.
Hopefully, I think it's also when you're trying out something new, you have to get used to what your face looks like with it.
That is true. What are your thoughts on lash extensions? Versus other alternatives? So
I guess other alternatives being getting a lash lift or
lash
applying
lift
falsies.
Yeah.
Honestly, I'm a very lazy person, and so I've never had lash extensions before, but I've had a lash lift. And with my experience with false lashes, I don't think I apply it right just because I also don't have the right glue, but I don't have a lot of experience with false eyelashes. I think if you have the money, then it's fine. Because my issue with it is because when they start to fall out and it starts to look really sparse, it's oh no, what do you do, right? Do you pull everything out, but then you're gonna rip out your eyelashes, right?
I've definitely done that.
Yeah, but if you have the money to get them refilled,
go for it.
And my experience with the lash lift was I really, really liked it. It definitely doesn't help with thickness. It really just gets your lashes up there. So I really like them, and I like waking up feeling kind of more girly because I had my eyelashes up. I'm like, wow, like I just look cute and flirty, and you know, my lashes are like just like opening my eyes.
Lash extensions. I just woke up, I was like, wow, I'm cute already. I don't know.
So Jamie's pulling out a foundation.
This is Maybelline Fit Me Hydrate and Smooth with SPF 18 in the shade 315 Soft Honey. I'm gonna use, okay, I'm not gonna lie, I use my fingers when I do my makeup.
That's good. That's what like models do, right?
Yeah, I think so. Just because I find that like your fingers just give a more natural touch or look to them. So here's the thing with like concealer and foundation. Let's say you put concealer only under your eyes. You need it somewhere else too to give a balance to your face, or else everything just looks out of place. I'm just gonna put some of this on her eyelid so it blends more in with everything else.
You're like, gotta bring balance. I'm like, only the avatar, master of all four elements can bring balance.
Stuff. I know people say you should blend your foundation down your neck, but I'm like, my neck's very prone to acne and I'm not about that. So
oh, that's interesting. I've never heard anyone complain about that on
I can't
like,
do it.
Telling you could see a dermatologist or, you know, a doctor just to make you feel more comfortable in your skin. Like acne's whatever, but like the moment it hurts you, like you shouldn't have to deal with that, queen.
That is true. Let me talk about me more.
Yeah, go up.
You guys may have seen some of her older videos on her channel.
Oh my god.
With me in them. I know, I'm like a totally different girl,
yeah,
right?
My friends have brought up Jamie's medicine.
Jamie's medicine! I'm gonna set her eyebrows with this clear gel by
ABH.
Okay, where do you get oily the most?
My forehead. Yep.
Oh, that's it.
Yes, yeah.
So I'm only gonna be applying this powder to her forehead. One thing with false eyelashes, do not apply them to your eyelids if they are oily or moistened, because they have a more likely chance to just fall off easier.
That makes sense.
It's like think of like when you're gonna fry chicken or something. You don't dip it in the egg first. You dip it in the fucking all-purpose flour. We are gonna be using the ABH
contour powder kit.
Yeah, and this cute little brush.
Fun fact: Jamie used to speak in a British accent when we were in our One Direction days.
Yeah.
Yep. All the time. She was really good at it.
Ooh. Wow.
Does it show up? I swear, shit doesn't show up on my skin.
It does.
I'm like, this is the same color.
No, it does.
I'm doing something wrong then.
Okay.
I'm so confused, guys. See, it's like I want her to use my products because then I know there's potential. It's just user error. Nice.
No, I'm sure you use it right.
How come I don't see results?
IDK.
I used to do my mom's makeup when she was asleep.
What?
This is me in grade 8, grade 9, like playing with makeup. I do them on my mom, and then she wake up and she looked like shit. You know, questionable. But I think she would go to work with the makeup on. Because back then, like, nobody was really good at makeup.
That is true.
Right?
No one.
But it's like, you know, 14-year-olds now are like too much.
What do you rate this? I've been thinking, do I get it?
It was Sephora's like birthday gift 1 year. Again, I don't see results. I'm not putting things on right. Oh, also fun fact for our viewers is we both had YouTube channels back in like 2009, maybe 2009, 2010, 11, 12, one of those. But like the content we used to make on there is different. We were like we've always been super involved with the internet.
We were internet babies.
Yeah.
She's shy, guys. She's shy. There we go. Someone cute played by Melanie Martinez. Please put that in the video. If no one makes a slow-mo of me with that song, I'm gonna be very mad. Wow, the camera quality on your phone just does my face justice.
It's not the camera quality, baby, it's just you.
Aw, thank you.
Like my simp ass.
My simp ass talented bro. Oh my god, we're gonna play volleyball later today, guys.
Yep.
I'm so excited. We're gonna look amazing playing volleyball. Literally, you know that whole like sequence with like Tanika and Noya?
Yeah.
When they're like...
I'm leaving. Yeah, I told you guys, this is a Haikyuu fan account. This isn't my YouTube channel, it's for volleyball. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal. I really like this.
I heard it's really good.
This mascara.
Her lashes are so pretty.
If I remember right, these lashes are the Ardell double wispies? I don't know, or the wispies, I don't know. Do you have any tips for the viewers for putting on false eyelashes?
Yes. Oh my god. I learned a lot after doing it for so long.
Yeah.
The first tip I mentioned earlier, which is to make sure your eye area, like your eyelids, are dry. Second, I find that black eyelash glue just works a lot better. It's the dual one. This is old. It's like, make sure it's dry. Also do your like mascara first before you put on your lashes. Don't ever blend them together with the mascara because then it'll ruin the lash. Okay, and you want to preserve the lash because we're trying to save money.
Yes. We're roughing it out here.
We are. The first thing I did was apply a thin layer of the glue to the eyelash and then wait for it to dry. And then I put a second layer because I just find that it sticks a lot better, but they're both really thin layers. And you want to put more glue at each end of the lash. Okay, you can close your eyes. Oh my god, wow. Sorry.
You should do this on the first try, bro.
Wow. Get your phone and look at your eye.
Oh, guys, look, I'm so pretty. That's what I'm saying. Like, it's not just eyebrows that make
Did
a
I
difference.
use the right eyelash for the right side?
I feel like they
What?
tell.
Because I'm looking at this one. I'm like, wait a minute.
Singers be like.
Oh yeah, I sing. You probably know that if you watch the Lullaby cover.
Yeah, Jamie's a really good singer. So guys, like, I always thought I was a bad singer my entire life because my family would always be like, Jamie's the singer, like Jamie sing for us, right? But then like they never asked me.
I'll take pictures.
They take What did she do?
You know what
Wow, wearing false eyelashes is an experience. They
It really
feel
is.
so secure, man, on my eyeballs right now.
I want some too. Question for your viewers. Hey viewers, how many of you know how to speak your
Native language?
your native language, your mother tongue? Because we didn't really grow up learning Tagalog, right? And it's like, I only know some things and some phrases. I wish I knew more.
Wow, that sounds good.
I know, right? Elf has a really good line of makeup products.
I
And
love
they're also affordable.
Guys, I'm so pretty. What the heck? Woke up like this.
I used to take myself out on dates. Open my own damn doors, pay for everything on my plate.
One thing I do, and I even do this with my own eyebrows, this is, if you guys have a solution for it, please let me know. Right here, I always have to keep doing this to blend in all the makeup in that area.
Please let us know. Bye everyone. Thanks for tuning in and getting to know more about Jamie, I guess. Hopefully you'll see her a lot more. Love you guys. Bye. Like, subscribe,
And comment, please.
leave any video ideas if you have any. I'm kind of running out of... Shout out to my friends for watching my videos. Bye. Love you.
Wow, that Wonder Brow really stayed on there.